हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे कुछ जॉब्स रिलेटेड टू पावर बीआई डेवलपर रोल और बिजनेस इंटेलिजेंस रोल से रिलेटेड। अगर आपके पास इस फील्ड में एक्सपीरियंस, दिस वीडियो इज वर्थ वॉचिंग। वीडियो में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखेंगे कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं, व्हाट आर द नेम ऑफ द कंपनी, सैलरी कंपनीज आर ऑफरिंग, रोल्स एंड रिस्पांसिबिलिटीज एंड एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया फॉर द जॉब पोस्ट। तो अगर आपके पास स्किल्स हैं लाइक पावर बीआई, टैबल्यू, क्यूलिक सेंस और किसी अदर विजुअलाइजेशन टूल का और बिजनेस इंटेलिजेंस टूल का, देन सर्टेनली यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर दीस जॉब पोस्ट। वीडियो आगे बढ़े उससे पहले फॉर माय न्यू ऑडियंस, लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ। My name is Harish Singh. I'm a blogger, YouTuber, and job search consultant as well. And I've almost 8+ years of experience recruiting candidates for different skills like Power BI, SQL, Python developer, or data analyst role. अगर आप चाहते हैं आप कोई भी जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी मिस ना करें इन डोमेन से रिलेटेड, then subscribe to my YouTube channel right away. Follow my Instagram page and my Facebook page as well. और मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे ऑलरेडी डेली जॉब अपडेट की सीरीज चल रही है जहाँ पे मैं आपको डेली बेसिस पे जॉब अपडेट्स कराता हूँ रिलेटेड टू दीज डोमेन्स अलॉन्ग विद जॉब एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स। अगर आप चाहते हैं आपको डेली बेसिस पे जॉब अपडेट्स मिलते रहे, देन डू फॉलो माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज। और जो भी जॉब्स हम रिव्यू करेंगे उन सभी जॉब्स के एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स आपको मिल जाएंगे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में। और अगर आप चाहते हैं मुझसे कनेक्ट करना, कोई फीडबैक सजेशन है या यू वांट एनी असिस्टेंस, देन डेफिनेटली यू कैन रीच आउट टू माय मेल आईडी एंड माय सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स एंड ऑल द लिंक्स आर अवेलेबल इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स एज वेल। अब बढ़ते हैं लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स है, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं। बट बिफोर हेडिंग टू द लैपटॉप स्क्रीन, जस्ट अ स्मॉल रिक्वेस्ट, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आता है, जॉब्स आपके लिए हेल्पफुल है या आप चाहते हैं आपको डेली बेसिस पे ऐसे जॉब अपडेट्स मिलते रहें या रेगुलरली जॉब अपडेट्स मिलते रहें, then do press the like button, share it with your needy friends, and also you can share your feedback or suggestion in the comment section as well. अब बढ़ते हैं लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं। लेट्स जंप टू द लैपटॉप स्क्रीन।
तो फ्रेंड्स आगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं फॉर द रोल ऑफ पावर बीआई डेवलपर एंड बिजनेस इंटेलिजेंस एनालिस्ट। First company in the list is WESCO, hiring for BI developer, experience 2 to 3 years, job locations in Bangalore, salary would be 5 to 8 lakhs per annum estimated. Education bachelor's degree, computer science, software engineering, all related discipline preferred. Roles and responsibilities: develop and maintain new and existing Power BI reporting, develop and maintain Power Apps for the business, work with SQL database to create new tables and views along with querying existing data, participate in user acceptance testing for new enhancements, partner with business units to develop enhancements to better support the business, and responsible for maintaining process documentation and technical specs based on changing IT landscape and business requirements. And if I'll talk about technical skills for this job post, you need to have license, certification or designation Power BI or Tableau certified preferred, 2 to 4 years of experience in BI development for coding with SQL, 2 to 4 years of programming language experience as well, SQL, Python, DAX, R or M, experience with Power BI or other visualization softwares, process strong analytical and problem solving skills and decision making skills along with strong oral, written and interpersonal skills. So these are some roles and responsibilities and technical skills for the job post, and if you find yourself suitable for the job post, you can click on this link and you can apply for the job post, and this link you'll get in the description box of this video. Let's move to the second job. Company name is Aero Digital Labs, hiring for Power BI developers, experience 1 to 3 years, job locations in Gurgaon, and they are also offering you work from home opportunity. Salary would be negotiable. Education degree in quantitative field, it's stats, computer science or data science. And if I'll talk about roles and responsibilities: study, analyze and understand business requirements in context to business intelligence, design and map data models to shift raw data into meaningful insights, utilize Power BI to build interactive and visually appealing dashboards and reports, analyze previous and present data for better decision making, transfer business requirements into technical publications, build multi-dimensional data models, perform detailed analysis on tested and developed Power BI scripts, run DAX queries and functions in Power BI. Required skills: very strong Excel competence including advanced pivot tables, VLOOKUPs and advanced formulas, strong knowledge of DAX functions, familiarity with the following for analyzing data: R, Python, SAS, SPSS, and strong data acumen with the ability to understand the meaning of data and what it does or does not represent. So these are some roles and responsibilities and technical skills for the job post. And if you're good to go with roles and responsibilities, job location and experience, you can apply for the job post by clicking on this link, and this link you'll get in the description box of this video. Let's move to the third job. Company name is GROWITSO, hiring for Power BI developer, experience 1 to 3 years, job locations in Mumbai, salary will be discussed, and education graduate in engineering, science, stats or MBA. About the role: understanding report requirements and creating reports in Power BI, integrated data for various sources into Power BI, work on Power Query to prepare data for visualization, implement data transformation and cleaning process to ensure data quality, relationships, DAX queries, calculations and measures, debug and troubleshoot issues related to Power BI, participate in detailed Power BI testing. So these are some roles and responsibilities for this job post. And if I'll talk about technical skills, you need to have minimum 1 year of experience in data visualization experience in tools such as Power BI, good understanding of the star schema and data models in the existing data warehouse, hands-on experience working with DAX, complex calculations such as moving some dynamic tables, dynamic values, selected values, hands-on experience working on Power BI themes and reusable templates, experience in creating dashboards, volume reports, operation summaries, and expert in publishing reports to app.powerbi.com and setting up the necessary connection details and scheduling. So these are some roles and responsibilities and experience for this job post. And if you're okay with experience, job location, and if you have required experience and roles and responsibilities, you can apply for this job post, and you can get this link in the description box of this video. Let's move to the fourth job. Company name is AVNET, hiring for business intelligence analyst, experience 1 to 3 years, job locations in Bangalore, education bachelor's degree or equivalent experience from which comparable knowledge and job skills can be obtained, and pay scale would be 4 to 7 lakhs per annum, that is estimated. So this is about the basic education and pay scale and job location. And if I'll talk about key responsibilities, manage multiple concurrent reporting and analytic projects and task balancing quality and delivering into agreed service deadlines, actively contributes ideas toward the ongoing improvement of the business intelligence and information management strategies, good knowledge of database such as Oracle, MySQL, Azure and SQL Server, good knowledge of Microsoft SSRS and Power BI, to learn and understand the complex data sets and business logic rules used in order to produce meaningful and resourceful efficient reporting, and identify issues during reporting, planning or report development and take the initiative to proactively address them. So these are some key responsibilities you need to perform as a business intelligence analyst over here. And if I'll talk about technical skills, foundation knowledge of a specialized discipline, industry practices and standards, collaborates with immediate management and team members with the department or function. Work is usually performed independently and requires the exercise of judgment and direction. Receives initial direction, although work may be reviewed for accuracy and quality. So there is no such technical skills, but you should have good knowledge of Oracle, MySQL, Azure, and SQL Server. Rest, if you are good to go with technical skills and roles and responsibilities, you can apply for this job post by clicking on this link, and this link you'll get in the description box of this video. Let's move to the fifth job. Company name is Rite Software, hiring for Power BI developer, experience 1 to 2 years, job locations in Hyderabad, education bachelor's or PG qualification is business, finance or related field, salary would be 5 to 7 lakhs per annum. What you need to do as a Power BI developer, perform detailed analysis of source system and source system data and data models that Power BI will leverage for reporting, design and develop Power BI scripts to import data from source system and build Power BI dashboards to meet customer requirements, interpret business requirements and technical specifications and translate them into designs, work directly with business users to define by developing prototypes, wireframes in Power BI dashboards, extracting transformation and loading data from multiple sources into Power BI applications, create metric or insight in dashboards that provide a consolidated view across the organization regardless of where the data resides, and design, create and tune physical database objects to optimize reports, dashboards performance. And for this job post, you need to have minimum 1 year of experience in Power BI, Power Pivot, and Power Query, a strong understanding of SQL, DSQL, MDX, DEX, or similar database programming technologies, and data modeling, analysis, design, testing, development, and implement. And if you have required skills, you are okay with location as well, you can click on this link and you can apply for this job post. Sixth company in the list is GEBBS Healthcare Solutions, hiring for business intelligence analyst, experience 2 to 3 years, job locations in Mumbai, education bachelor's degree, salary would be 3 to 5 lakhs per annum estimated, job locations in Airoli, New Mumbai. Roles and responsibilities: provide actionable insights through reports, dashboards, prepare data-driven strategies, action plans, strategic report dashboards to be provided as per business requirements, providing detailed analysis to management on process performance, adherence to reporting tasks, should be able to work independently, will be responsible for own clients. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform. And technical skills: Power BI, good exposure to DEX, education and experience, any graduate will be preferred. Fresher with technical knowledge can apply too. Candidates with certification will be preferred. Should be detailed oriented with a strong focus on accuracy and ability to understand complex requirements and drive solutions. So if you have good experience in Power BI, good exposure to DEX, and if you do not have any prior experience, working experience as well, then also you can apply for the job post as per the roles and responsibilities and eligibility criteria for this job description. And if you're interested for the job post, you can click on this link and you can apply for the job post. Let's move to the seventh job. Company name is Oracle, hiring for application developer, experience 2 to 3 years, job locations in Bangalore. Education, bachelor's degree in data science, stats, computer science or related field. Salary would be as per industry standards. Roles and responsibilities: design, develop and maintain scalable data pipelines and ETL process to collect, process and store large data volumes for data diverse sources. To handle big data processing tasks efficiently, implement and optimize distributed computing framework. Collaborate with cross-functional teams to understand data requirements and deliver innovative solutions for data ingestion, transformation, and storage. Monitor and troubleshoot data pipelines performance issues, implementing solutions to improve reliability and efficiency. Implement and optimize data warehouse architecture and indexing strategies for efficient data storage and retrieval. Required skills: proficiency in programming language such as Python and with experience in SQL database, hands-on experience with big data technologies such as Apache Spark or Flink, experience designing and implementing dimensional data models for the data warehousing solutions, knowledge of ETL tools and techniques for data integrations and transformations. You should have strong analytical and problem-solving skills, experience working with stakeholders to gather and analyze business requirements and deliver solutions that meet their needs. And if you're interested for the job post, you have as per job description, we have required skills and roles and responsibilities. You can click on this link and you can apply for the job post. So friends, these are 7 jobs for this week for the role of Power BI developer. Let me know your feedback in the comment section. And thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day.